Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again, and in this video tutorial I will teaching you how to remove the black point or the black part of the videos using the pan crop in Filmora X or all version of Filmora. And now I have one video that is like this. It looks like they have the black part just below, and the upper of the screen is you can see the text and it is the black part one. So today I'm gonna show you how to remove all of this thing and keep your video is completely clean and with the portrait version. So to do that, the first that you're gonna do is click on the file here and choose the project setting. And this part you're gonna add your video size. For example, if you want a portrait version of your video size, so if you want a portrait video, you're gonna see this aspect ratios here. And here is the information that about your screen. What are you gonna using with that video? So now I'm gonna use portrait. So you need to set it up by 720 pixels and 1000 and yes, this one 1280 pixels. This is the resolution of your video's portrait here, and the frame rate it should be 30 here. If you are using too much frame rate, it will take a lot of gigabyte of your video. Or if you want something that is completely very clear with a high frame rate, you're gonna choose more higher. But in this video, I'm gonna use a small size of video. So after you have been already set up this, you're gonna click on OK here. And now we're gonna add a video inside by dragging like this, drag it to the panel like this, and you will see the file of the video is completely in the portrait mode. And if you are using the landscape mode, you will see the black part just inside this, but this one is completely the portrait mode. So okay, but I recommend you to keep it default. And now right click on that inside the videos, and you will see a lot of text just appearing like this. And here we're gonna see the pan crop zooms, or we can use the shortcut key by press Alt and C. So go ahead, click on crops and zoom here. And today and this one we're gonna choose the crops button here and click on the custom here on ratios here. So choose on custom, and then you're gonna drag it whatever you want. For example, here is the part of dragging. So now I'm gonna use that dragging point like this, and from the starting point we have to drag. You make sure that you are completely remove all the black part or the other part. They stay outside this this square mark here, this square circle here. So you make sure that thing that you want to remove is just stay outside of this square mark here. After you think everything is gonna be okay, so click on OK, and you will see something like this. So here is the other part that have left after we are cropping, after we crop the video. So you can gonna add or drag it more to be a full screen to remove some small little black, just like this, and here. And now you are in the full screen mode in the portrait version. So the next step that we're gonna do is click on save or export the video. Now I'm gonna click on the files. We can say the export videos, or we can say see something like this that's called export. So now click on export and name your video whatever you want. Now I'm gonna name it whatever you want. For example, I want to title it like this, and you don't need to set anything outside all of this thing because we have already set up at the first thing starting points of the video. And all of this part on the left hand side, you're gonna see MP4, WMV, AVIs, MOV, F4V, KV, TS, 3GP, 3G2, WebM, zip, and MP3. Here is the all kind of the format that you're gonna use with them. So make sure that what video or what the format type that you really want to be. For example, the MP4 is generally used all the world, all the people that use MP4. But for me, I generally use WMV because it makes your file is more smaller and it's completely make the video faster to re-encoding or faster to rendering, and the quality is not losing by other way. So WMV is a kind of video that is completely small but very good quality, and they did not lose anything inside the video quality. Like the frame rate or the pictures or the pixel, they keep all, but the video is combined to a small size of the video files, and you can also upload it, and it supports a lot Windows or smartphone, so don't worry about it. Now I recommend you to choose one among of these. One is an MP4 and the other is WMV. So now I'm gonna use WMV, and then I'm gonna click on export here, and make sure that you are using enable GPU acceleration without encoding, because if you have a VGA card, it will make you faster to render. If you are not checking this, it will take too much long, depending on your CPU, not a GPU. So I recommend you to use with the GPU rendering on the VGA card, because it can help you to be more faster of rendering. And now click on export here and wait for a few seconds because the file is not very long. I'm gonna export a video tutorial so I don't make something that completely full size. So okay, after you have been already converting, and the file is going to the output folder just like this, and here is the title, and now we're going to click back here like this, and you will see everything is completely working in the full size, not any blacks, but we have something that look like appearing some black here because we are not completely drag it to the smart more of the side here. So thank you for watching my video tutorial, and I hope you guys understand about it, and wherever you can do it by yourself at home, or if you are a YouTuber, you will be working fine and working good to edit any video with Filmora. So thank you for watching.